In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the custom field ID in Jira with our full 2025 guide. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but I promise I'll walk you through each step carefully to ensure you're able to locate those IDs with ease. To start, the first thing you want to do is open the specific issue in Jira for which you're looking to find the custom field ID. This means navigating through your Jira dashboard and selecting the issue you are interested in. Make sure it's the correct one because each issue might have different custom fields associated with it. Opening the right issue is crucial for obtaining the correct data later on. Now once the issue is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see three dots. These dots are your gateway to more options or actions you can perform concerning your issue. So go ahead and give those three dots a click. It's like opening a small treasure chest of extra features that are often overlooked. Next, from the drop down menu that appears after clicking the three dots, you're going to select the Export to XML option. This is an important step because it allows you to view the entire issue's details in a plain text format, known as XML, which is more straightforward for accessing specific information like custom field IDs. After selecting this option, a new tab will automatically open in your browser, displaying the XML data of your issue. Here's where the main detective work comes in. In this new tab filled with XML details, you'll need to search for the name of the specific field you're interested in. You can do this by using the search function of your browser. This typically involves pressing Command plus F on Mac or Control plus F on Windows to bring up the search bar, then typing in the field name. Scanning through this data might seem daunting, but the search function helps pinpoint the exact line you need without endlessly scrolling. Finally, once you find the field name in the XML data, you will observe that it's associated with an ID ending with an identifier number. This usually appears in a format like custom field 1086. The numbers following custom field are what you're primarily interested in. These digits uniquely identify the custom field in your Jira setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully located the custom field ID you need. This ID is crucial when configuring or automating certain tasks in Jira, and now you know the exact process to retrieve it whenever necessary. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has demystified the process of finding a custom field ID in Jira for you. For